Have you ever been lost in a very big place? Imagine you are in a huge airport, thousands of people, so many gates, so many screens, and suddenly you cannot see your family. Today, something scary happened to my little brother Eli. He was lost in the airport.
Okay, family, stay close. The airport is very big.
Vanessa, hold Eli's hand.
Okay, Mom. Wow, so many airplanes! Look, Vanessa!
We need to find gate 25.
Let's check the screen.
Flight to New York, gate 25, boarding at 4:30 p.m.
Good, we have time. Let's get some water.
Vanessa, look, a toy airplane! It's nice.
Okay, but don't go far.
Attention please, Flight 372 is now boarding at Gate 12.
Where is Eli?
What?
He was with you.
He was here just now.
Eli? Eli!
It's my fault.
Stay calm. We will find him.
Vanessa? Mom?
If I am lost, stay in one place. Stay here, I will find you. Do you understand?
What if he goes outside?
He knows the rules.
I'm sorry.
Vanessa, look at me. We will find your brother.
Yes, let's go to security.
Excuse me, our son is lost. What is his name?
Eli. He is 5 years old.
Okay, just wait here. Okay. Attention, please. If you see a little boy named Eli, please bring him to the information desk.
That's me. I have to go to the information desk. I will ask for help. Uncle, where's information desk?
Go straight and then left.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Eli!
Oh, my baby!
You were very brave.
I stayed in one place, like you said. Good job.
We are so proud.
Now you both will stay with us. No one will go anywhere.
Our children are very wise. They won't make the same mistake again. Now hurry up, don't miss the flight.
Let's hurry up, lest this too be considered our mistake.
Children, we have arrived at our hotel. Now we will rest for the night and explore the city during the day.
Wow, this is going to be so much fun. I was very scared.
Me too.
It's okay now. Yes. Hug? Hug.
Sometimes we feel scared, but we stay calm.
And we help each other.
We are in Rome.
Yes, it is a beautiful city.
What is that big building? Is it very old?
Yes, it is the Colosseum.
We will see it.
Look at these old buildings. They are from ancient Rome,
What is ancient Rome?
a very old city,
How old?
thousands of years old. This is the Colosseum. It is very old. It was built by the Romans.
Wow, for fights?
Yes, for gladiator fights.
So cool.
It is amazing. This is the Trevi Fountain. It is very old and famous.
It is beautiful.
This building is very old. It has many stories.
What stories?
Stories of kings and queens.
Wow.
That is amazing. Welcome to the museum. We will see old things.
What is this place?
It is a history museum. It has very old things.
Like what, please?
Old pots. Ready to swing? Hold on tight.
Yes, I'm ready. Push your legs.
Good job. Go higher.
Whee, this is fun.
You're doing great.
My turn next.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Today, we learned something important. Airports are big. The world is big. But family makes us feel safe. I will never forget that day. Have you ever been lost? Tell us in the comments. Goodbye.